Hi, I am a creative director and a founder of creative agency. I am specialized in brand style guides and brand identity systems. I have collaborated with international clients, producing creative work that contributes to their wider goals and help many large and small businesses meet their branding needs. Brand Style Guide document includes color palette, typography guidelines, usage guidelines, brand book, iconography and do's and don'ts. What I offer: top-class communication and support, unique and original minimalist concepts, providing all relevant files. Workflow: discussion, market research, logo construction, brand identity design, brand guidelines book. Expertise includes logo and branding, all source file types, color palettes, typography, social media kit, brand books, 3D mockups, presentations, pitch decks, stationery and merch design, app and web UI, UX design. If you already have your logo but want to redesign it or like to continue with it with some updates or suggestions, I'm passionate about helping businesses express their brand to the world. I have over 6 years of experience launching new brands and helping businesses refine their existing brands. I work with clients all over the world to help with their brand building and visual identity design. This involves getting to know my clients' business and objectives, learning about their own audience, and how they'd like to be seen within their field. Just write to me and I will do the rest. Please feel free to shoot me a message and we can discuss it. Let's build something great together. There are many customers all over the world reviewed after receiving my products. Please read my reviews to know what other clients think of me. I am very confident in my ability to provide you more than 200% of the product value as which you pay to me. See the link below for more detail. Your satisfaction is my happiness.